Hi, so let's continue our lesson and find out how can we find the power and the energy transferred from the mains. For any appliance, the energy supplied to it depends on how long it has been switched on and the power supplied to it. For example, if we have a 1 kilowatt heater, it uses the same amount of energy in 1 hour as 2 kilowatt heater would use in half an hour. And we can compare them using the following equation. The energy transferred from the mains, denoted by E in joules, is equal to the power P in watts multiplied by the time T in seconds. And to find the power, the current and the potential difference must be known, where power is equal the current in amperes multiplied by the potential difference in volts. And to find the energy in the above example, we multiply the power by the time. Energy of 1 kilowatt heater is equal to 1 kilowatt multiplied by 1 hour. But pay attention, you have to convert to the SI unit. 1 kilowatt is 1 times 10 to the power 3 watts. And 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So the energy is equal to 36 times 10 to the power 5 joules. And the energy of 2 kilowatt heater is equal to 2 times 10 to the power 3 watts multiplied by half times 36,000 seconds. And it gives the same answer, which is 36 times 10 to the power 5 joules.